Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our today's recipe is about cheesy masala idli. But as we make this recipe, I'm going to tell you a very beautiful story about Ria and Sam who discovered their love for cheese masala idli. So let's begin. Once upon a time in the bustling city of Flavor Town, there were two best friends, Ria and Sam. They were inseparable and shared passion for cooking. Ria was a culinary genius, while Sam had an incredible knack for experimenting with flavors. One day, Ria stumbled upon a magical recipe book in an old bookstore. It was said that this book contained secret recipes that had the power to bring joy and happiness to anyone who tasted them. With excitement, Ria decided to try one of the recipes with Sam. The recipe they chose was of cheese masala idli, a dish that promised to be a burst of flavors and comfort. Little did they know that there was a twist hidden within the recipe itself. As they followed the instructions and prepared the idlis, a sprinkle of magical masala accidentally fell into the mix. Unaware of the magical nature of the masala, Ria and Sam served the idlis to their friends and family, eagerly waiting for their reactions. As everyone took a bite, a wave of enchantment swept through the room. People's faces lit up with joy and their hearts were filled with warmth. It was as if the idlis had the power to spread love and friendship with every bite. Amazed by the incredible response, Ria and Sam realized the magical twist that had occurred. They knew that they had stumbled upon something extraordinary. Together, they decided to dedicate their lives to cooking and sharing cheese masala idli to people all over Flavor Town. Words of their magical idlis spread like wildfire, and soon people from far and wide flocked to their small restaurant. Each idli brought people closer, healing old wounds and rekindling their friendships. Strangers became friends, enemies became allies, and love blossomed amidst the aromas of the idlis. As Ria and Sam continued their culinary journey, they realized that the magic of their idlis lay not just in the recipe, but in their love and friendship they shared. Their bond grew even stronger, and their restaurant became a symbol of unity and harmony. Let us remember this magical story of Ria and Sam, whose cheese masala idlis brought love and friendship, and may we infuse our own dishes with the same enchantment and create moments of joy and togetherness. What a beautiful story indeed. With this, we come to the end of the recipe and our idlis are ready to be served. I'm sure you're going to give it a try tomorrow for your breakfast. Look how cheesy the idlis are. I hope that you give this recipe a try tomorrow for your breakfast, and do let me know your experiences in the comments. Thank you.